Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can add users on Zoho CRM. I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to add a user to a Zoho CRM, first thing you need to open up your web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in crm.zoho.com, and you can also find the link on my description box below. So you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site or the home page, and on this interface you need to click on this gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll be taken to the setup page or the settings page. Now under it, you'll be able to see a list of sections. Now you'll need to head over to the user and control sections and then click on user under it. Since the account was created only for the tutorial purpose, so I don't have many users. In order to add the user, what you'll need to do is click on this option that is new user, and as soon as you click on it, a pop-up will appear right in front. Now you'll need to enter in the first name, last name, and the email address of the person that you want to add it as a new user. So type in the name. For this video, I'm going to enter in my dummy email. So I'm going to be showing you what happens after you send an invitation, how he or she can respond to an email or an invite link. You also need to select the role, so just click on it and then set a profile, and click on save. Now the invitation link will be sent to this following email. What he or she needs to do is accept the request or invitation. I'll be showing you how you can accept an invitation. As you can see that this is my dummy email, and right over here I've received an invitation link. So in order to join it, you click on this option, or you can simply click on this link as well. Just click on join now. After that, if you're not a Zoho customer, then you'll be asked to create an account to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, then click on this create account, and after that you'll be added as a new user on Zoho CRM. So in that way you can add user on Zoho CRM. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.